What if you could stop trying to figure out your marketing 1 week at a time? And what if you could instead create a 12-month marketing plan in under 30 minutes? No more sitting down wondering what to post. No more creating content and throwing stuff at the wall and hoping that something works. And no more having an email list that's just sitting there collecting dust, because that's not a real strategy. That's starting over every week. And that's exactly why I created the Entrepreneur Accelerator. What we're going to do is create 3 things: a 12-month content marketing strategy, a 12-month email marketing strategy, and a 12-month social media marketing strategy. The actual training takes less than 30 minutes, about 27 minutes, and then you can spend the rest of the afternoon implementing this plan and creating this plan for the next year. So I've also included some AI prompts and a planner to help you keep track of all of this, because I want to make implementation super easy so you don't have any excuses and you know exactly what the next step is that you should take. I don't want you looking at a blank screen trying to figure out, what do I do next? That's what this is going to help you do. So the goal is not creating more content. The goal is to finally know what to create, where you're showing up, what you're going to email, and how all of those work together to market your business. So instead of waking up every day or every week wondering, what do I post? Now you have the plan. So if you're ready to stop winging your marketing, because I know this is one of the hardest things that entrepreneurs face, go ahead and click that button. Get started with the Entrepreneur Accelerator. I will see you inside, and let's build your 12-month marketing strategy.